Surah, number 113, of Quran Majid. The Daybreak.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق.
Say, I seek the protection of the Lord of the Daybreak.
من شر ما خلق.
From the evil of what he has created.
ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب.
And from the evil of the dark night when it falls.
ومن شر النفاثات في العقد.
And from the evil of the witches, who blow on knots.
ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
And from the evil of the envious one when he envies.